Hello guys, today we're back with another not a Minecraft video, another reaction video. Yes guys, we didn't did a reaction video for a long time. But today if you're wondering what I am gonna react to, I'm gonna react to the Minecraft trailer. Actually I thought of not doing any video today, but I just now saw in YouTube that Minecraft released the brand new. I forgot what was. Yeah, what version was it? I think. Silly me, I could just see here. It's 1.70.0 version. I think we can in the short form we can change 1.17 version. Yeah, the trailer is it. Finally, it's called as the Caves and Cliffs update. And guys, this is the official trailer 2021. And I heard it's releasing at summer. That's so amazing. But summer's like starts in July or June, somewhere there. At that point, I think it starts at March. Means like they gave the. I think it starts in March like that. Okay. It's not March, guys. It's June or July. I'm just joking. It's not March. How can it be that it's 2 months? By that time it's Easter. March is like Easter month. Is a Easter month? Yeah, like that. June, July. Or maybe it could be in May. Yeah, it could be in May. But whatever, let's get into this. But yeah guys, there is no audio. As you can see, I kept the no audio. But if you want, you can still listen to the song. Wait a minute. Guys, that is the song. Yeah guys, that was the sound. And also guys, please leave a like and subscribe if you like it, but we're gonna see this. What's this? I don't know what do they mean by this, but yeah, that. Guys, if you're wondering why am I not keeping the music, because I don't want to be like some copyrighted, you know that thing, not to be copyrighted. And the second thing is also that my cam is not on, so definitely it would be like copyrighted. And the third part is that you cannot even hear me, like when I scream and wow! Okay, wow. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a great cave up there. Wow, this looks like a realistic cave. I cannot tell the difference. I just cannot. It looks like those flying servers where you use the Elytra. What's called it? Elytra? I don't know what do they call that fly wings thing in Minecraft. But yeah, you use that in some caves. This looks like that. Oh, I cannot tell the difference. It's so wow. Wait, what? What? This is a new thing to the ravines. We got something. Wait, is this? I think this, the water is a part of the caves. I think this is also a part of the cave. Wow. Crystal. Is that a crystal? What caves are these? Whoa, is this a different kind of caves? Wow. Okay. Oh wow, we can collect those items there. I wonder what do they call this? Ooh, what are these leaves? Okay. Ooh, is that a Venus flytrap? Oh. I don't know. Wait, what? So that's a Venus flytrap. Wow. So if we, oh wow, did you saw that guys? They were like little particles, and when they destroy it, there's a little more particles. Wow, what are these? Wow, this looks great. Wow. Wait, what? What's this? Oh, we got a new staircase thing. Okay, I don't know what's this. Wait, I think this trailer is. I think this trailer is the wrong trailer, guys. What? Okay. Oh, this is where you find the Venus flytrap thing. How much long is this trailer? Okay, still. Oh, what? Wow, this. I don't know what it is. Wait, what is that? Elder Guardian? Oh, so you use this fist for fighting the Elder Guardian? I don't know. Okay, wow. Oh, that's good. Okay. Wait, where's the glow squid? Wait, what? Okay, wait, I think this is the wrong trailer. Wait, we should change the song, guys. I mean, not song, the video. Guys, it's coming. Just 14:12. We're gonna react to the trailer. I think that this trailer should be correct, right? I don't know. Maybe this trailer. Maybe the first trailer was I don't know. Wait. Let me just set everything. Oh wait, it's already okay. Wait, I just need to do some things. Okay. This should be good. Minecraft caves and cliffs update. Okay. This feels more like it, yeah, I think. Oh, what's this? We got a new Lus Caves. Oh, so I think I understand what is happening here, guys. Oopsie. I might have did something wrong. Guys, I think I understand what's happening here. See, guys, you see the tree? I think the tree with that purple berries in it, I think that tree, if you dig up next to it, wow, what's this? Is this a new type of grass? I think that's it. If you dig next to it, maybe there'll be one hole leading to the Lus Caves. So yeah, that's a cool thing. Wow, that's cool. Wow, okay, I think this is the true one. I don't know, but I think pretty sure this is the true one because they told what the cave name is. Hey, there's a love seed. I don't know what do they get by this. Okay. Wait. Okay. What is this? A dripple plant? What? Oh, drip leaf plant. What is the? Oh, so that's not the Venus flytrap. So they didn't name it as Venus flytrap. It's actually a drip leaf trap in Minecraft world. Agilis, that's the name. Open, closed. Attach it to the ceiling until it's protocols. Okay, I cannot read this. These have weird names. I wonder why did they give weird names. Oh, the Venus flytrap. Are we gonna see what it does? Oh, I mean drip leaf plant. I'm just gonna call it. Oh wow! Wait, did they went down? Okay, they went down. Wait, what? Guys, you can see it, right? It's coming down. Wait, what? Oh! Oh, that's why they call it is a drip leaf plant. That's totally not what a Venus improved cave generation. Yeah, but that's definitely not. Okay. That's a water cave thing. But that's definitely not how a Venus flytrap plant should be looked like. Or maybe... Wait, did he say Venus flytrap? Oh yeah. But that's not how a Venus flytrap look like. But I thought I thought that it will do like it will eat you when you touch it. Yeah, but if it will be very cool if they kept an insectivorous plant in the game. Wait, if it will eat the player, then it's not an insectivorous plant, right? So it should be a carnivorous plant. But that doesn't exist in the real world. But what about if a Venus flytrap actually do that? Actually, it accidentally bited a human, then we'll get a carnivorous. You know what I think you know what I mean. Ooh, wow. Oh, okay. So what are these? Wow, these are like water caves. Oh, this is some big water caves. Wow. This is actually super duper big. Oh. I wonder if there's some mobs in here. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is Dripstone's cave. Okay, these are the place where those fell. So we have to be absolutely careful here because I think I saw them. Yeah, they're gonna fall, right? So maybe if they fall on top of us, we could like oof like that. See, the zombie, we can get oofed by it. Ouch. Water drops. Oh, so we can get water by that. I'm not sure how, but yeah, it's just that. I wonder if I'm actually recording, but yeah, I think I'm recording. Yeah, I think. Slug growths. Okay, slug growths. Slug Spencer. I don't know what does that mean, but so yeah, they're like getting the noise. Wireless redstone. Oh wow, that's cool. See that? Wow, that's cool. So like they're feeling the movement of Wadren. So that's a Wadren, yeah. But they're feeling the movement of. Actually, I think. Whoa! What? Okay. I don't know what do they call the movement of. What do they call? Actually, don't know. They're like feeling the movement of. Actually, I don't know, guys. Oh, the movement of force, maybe that. I actually don't know about the lesson. Wait, is there something back of him? Wait, what? I think I saw something back of him. Wait, there's something back of him. Oh, wow, there's treasure. But I think there's nothing back of him. Maybe those plants. I wonder what's he looking for. For some. Okay, those are something. Okay. Oh, okay. What are these? Let me drink some water. Okay. Wait, why is he going there? Oh! So he's like a blind person. He cannot hear people. Oh no, what are you gonna do? Will that make him angrier? I think you're just doing something bad. No. Wow, he's getting angrier. Yeah, he's definitely getting angrier. Yeah, now you're dead. Oh wait, you have a leather sword. He's gonna be oofed. Wait, what? Did he just... Wait, is he gonna die? Wow, that's some strong... so that's vibration. I actually never knew that word was there. So this is what they thought of doing it. That's actually pretty weird, but yeah. So he responds to vibration. Oh, terrifies. Idea friends with a bunny? Nah, he cannot get friends with a bunny. It's definitely gonna get scared. Oh, so this is their ear, so they feel the vibration, so they're pretty blind. Guys! Oh, so this guy is called the water. Guys, I understand those blocks. Those blocks actually, those blocks are like alive. They can feel the vibration. That's what they meant by wireless redstone. I can understand. Good thing they did this. Now I can understand water. How is this monster? Oh, you know what I mean. Oh, this is good. Good thing they kept this. Okay, what's next? Oh, good. I think that was not in a game. Yeah. Wait, wasn't this also in the Minecon? I mean, in the mob. You know that mob thing? I forgot it's the Minecon mob selecting. You know. Wait. Okay. Anticula blah blah grets. I know that I spell it wrong, but I'm just gonna tell it as Crystal Cave. I'm just gonna call it as Crystal Cave. I cannot tell it. Oh wait, I think this is the emblem something gets. I'm just gonna call them Crystal. Ooh, telescope, something new. Finally, we got a telescope. That's actually what I wanted sometimes. Guys, actually that's what I wanted. Copper! No way. No way. This was in Preston. Guys, do you know Preston Place is a popular Minecraft YouTuber? But he actually made a copper ore. So now copper ore is real. Wow, that's actually, wow, guys. So what, Preston, what? I think this copper ore is not red. Wow, that's actually cool. Wait, this is time-lapse thing, no? They become blue. Copper time-lapse. Wow. So yeah, now it becomes dirty. Yeah, that's fine. Wait. So from brown they turn into blue. Yeah, actually instead of using prismated staircase, you can just use this lightning rod. Wait, others use it from copper. We can now create a lightning rod with copper. What's that? A bag? Oh wait, it's a bundle. Wait, what? Oh! Genius. Yeah, good. That's good. Yeah. Oh yeah, bundles. Good. Wow. Now we can stuff anything inside a bundle. We can stuff anything. Our inventories won't be big, full of things. We can do anything. We don't need to worry that our inventory is full. Oh wow. That's a lot of bundles. But yeah, that's a good idea. Now we found chest. Okay, wow, brass, yeah. But now if we worry about okay. Oh, so they use gravel. Okay, so what will, so that's fun. Oh, poor guy. What's this now? Wait, what? What's that? What's that? Blue Carmine. Wow, there's so many new things, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, when 1.17 is releasing, I'm gonna go in survival mode and search for this place. Maybe I could be lucky to find when I spawn, I'll immediately find this. But yeah, and this guys are saying something I don't remember. But whatever I said, I don't actually remember what I said. Maybe if I just little bit do this. Oh yeah, now bundle. Yeah, now I remember what I was saying, guys. So yeah, I guess what I was actually saying that I was saying that block of emerald. Wow, you can find that also. I was actually saying that what if if a small chest is full, you can just keep it just full of bundles with all the stone you know what you need. Wow, this archaeological. Wow! Is that a pot? So that's what they use for to design a pot. No way. You're telling me that like you can boil. But what? So what are they boiling? Oh wait. What axolotls? What axolotls? So I thought this was. Wait. So those things are called axolotls. The ones who are fighting the, what I forgot. Yeah. I don't know, Elder Guardian, guys. The Elder Guardian. Wow, guys, there's fighting. Yeah, I remember this. So wait, do you want to see the new 1.17 trailer? Come on, Suvi, let's see the new 1.17 trailer. Wow, Joshua. Wait, what? Wait, what? So you're telling me that the warden are friends of the axolot thing? I don't know. Let's. Oh wow, axolot goat. Wait, what? So wow, we got 3 new. I thought that the fish actually. Wait, guys. Oh, wait, is this actually living outside of the water? That means you're telling that we could actually take this out of the water. Wait, can we actually do that? That means this is an amphibian. The axolot is actually an amphibian. Wow, that's amazing. So scales of cuteness. I thought that this amphibian turned into a goat and the goat turned into this monster. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe, give a like. Suvi, are you gonna help me?
Hello guys.
Suvi, that's not how you start an intro. I mean, not how you start an outro.
Hello guys.
No, you have to say the opposite. Goodbye, guys.
Hello guys. Bye.
No, that's not the opposite of hello. The opposite of hello is goodbye. So say goodbye. Goodbye, Suvi.
Goodbye. Anna.
Wait, no, not me.
Oh.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye guys.
Now finally it roll. But yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye.